Replacing the exhaust on your car sounds daunting, right? Um, I get it. It's a common worry. The thought of grappling under a greasy car can be intimidating. Start strong though, and you'll be surprised at how manageable it is. With just the right tools and a bit of strategy, you can end up saving hundreds compared to a mechanic's labor charges. So first, you'll need to gather the necessary materials, and think jack stands, a wrench set, and of course, your new exhaust system. Um, if you've ever tried assembling IKEA furniture without the right Allen wrench,
you understand the frustration.
Trust me, with proper tools, the job will go smoother. Safety is paramount when working under your vehicle. You don't want the car coming down on you like a horror movie scene. Use a jack to lift the car, but ensure you use jack stands to keep it securely elevated. Work smart, stay safe. Begin by loosening the clamps that connect the exhaust to your catalytic converter. Sometimes these fasteners can be stubborn, like trying to unscrew a jar of pickles that just won't budge. If needed, apply some penetrating oil for ease. Patience here can save a lot of frustration later. Once the clamps are loose, carefully disengage the exhaust hangers. These will often look like rubberized hooks or loops. It's like untangling your favorite necklace, but with a bit more grunt, you know? And a pry bar can be your best friend for those tricky ones. Now, ease out the old exhaust system. This step might involve some elbow grease, but think of it as a rite of passage, like baking bread, but on wheels instead of yeast. And having an extra set of hands can be immensely helpful here. With the old exhaust removed, it's time to align your new system. This step is a bit like fitting puzzle pieces together. Remember to match up the pipes before fully tightening any bolts. This ensures a more seamless fit and fewer headaches. Begin securing the new system with clamps, taking care not to over tighten initially. Picture a handshake, firm but not bone crushing. It's a delicate balance. Tighten progressively across all sections for even pressure distribution and better fit. Once aligned, fasten everything hand tight first before using a wrench. Going all in with power tools is tempting, but beware of over tightening. Just like a first date goes steady, too much too soon spells trouble. With everything clamped and secured, start the engine briefly to check for leaks. It's like checking a reflection before leaving the house. Ensure all is as it should be. A few quick adjustments should resolve any unwanted noise or leaks. Finally, take your car for a short drive. Any unexpected rattles or noises. It's similar to testing a freshly baked cookie. Sometimes it needs just a little more time to settle or adjust. Keep tweaking until it's just right. And there you have it. You've tackled a task that probably seemed intimidating at the start. The next time you're at a car meet or just mingling with friends, it's a great story to share. Also, maybe even throw in a couple of tips for motivation.